them on a surprise birthday. Chameleone yancha, but bo bamwe so kumuwaka ale birthday because he's made 45 years. Chameleone 45 years. Baba itaba African Simba be bamutege akantu kano to celebrate it. And Chameleone has a lot to say about this milestone in his life. Just celebrating us specifically. Katubalaga kumbera bwe yabadde last night tukomeo.
First and foremost, I thank you everybody. I thank you everybody for showing me this love at my new age. Thank you so much for taking time for me. So respectful. Mugalo notices it Bulialiwano see hater. Bulialiwano they love Chameleone, right? You people fear to talk about your age. My dear friends, I'm just 5 years away to 50. Muzaini yake meka? Okweza meka? Bajita Silver Jubilee. I've served Uganda half of my life. Na focus tanga di 20. Come on. Half of my life. Now I'm 45. Serving my beautiful country. Nobody told me how to do it. Nobody taught me, but I had the force to drive me to do it.
My brother, you are a special material. These are words from your small brother, supposed to be reversed to him. Wama, Chameleone, you are the strongest. You are the wickedest. You are the shootest. I don't want you to lose hope because they want to see us down. Happy birthday, dear. Yeah. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Happy
wow, boy. I want some reggae vibe. Chameleone official.
Yeah.
Reggae.
Yeah. Are you ready,
people? Myaka namwetaano, it's some years. So yeah, bintu gabino bye tulina okukolera abantu bano era Africa Simba, big up on yourself. Remember these guys while they still live. Waliwo abantu nakyogerako ndoze mabegako. There are people who take this guy for granted, Chameleone. But God forbid, I assume if he woke up and died, which won't happen yet. Naye ng'ajja kufa, of course, nga wezeze emyaka gye 18. Naye n'amala, God forbid, nekibaawo. I think we can have the most chaotic Uganda that day. You can get to know how much people love this guy. So don't wait for these moments to happen to show these guys this love. Yeah, make them friends. I'm one of those people who think yena minister ja waliwo abantu abalina ofuna enguudo muno mu Kampala nosanga simanya Jamiru Lukenge road. Those all should be given to these guys. Chameleone deserves a road. Bobby Wine deserves a road. Kyagulanyi Sentamu Avenue nga eri awo mu kibuga Kampala. Ne Museveni mumuwe Kaguta road mwaji muwadda. There are people who really deserve these things. Mulo nga tuvudde mu bino ebyokweperegeeza naki. Celebrate them while they still can. I mean, they have done it. Kale katwatololemuko tukole ku sente z'abakama baffe. When we return, nina nkyalina emboozi nnyingi nnyo. Otherwise, big up on yourself.